Hi friends, today we are learning about the letter J and the sound is made J, just like the word jet. Let's say it together. J is for jet, J is for jam, J is for juice, and J is for jacket. Let's try say it with sound. J, j, jet. J, j, jam. J, j, juice. J, j, jacket. Great job. So, let's learn together and have fun.
Juice, juice. Juice, juice. Jacket, jacket. Jacket, jacket. Jam, jam. Jam, jam. Jet, jet. Jet. Juice, jacket, jam, jet. Juice, jacket, jam, jet. Juice, jacket, jam, jet. Juice, jacket, jam, jet. I want juice. I want a jacket. I want juice. I want a jacket. I want jam. I want a jet. I want jam. I want a jet.
Thank you so much for your watching. Keep learning and stay smart. Just don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe TonLife. Goodbye from TonLife. See you again soon.